This Samsung TV is both thin and beautiful. Now, there's nothing worse than trying to enjoy your favourite shows or movies and missing the best parts due to the glare and reflection on screen. Meet Samsung's first and only glare-free OLED TV. You won't get any distracting glares even if you're at an angle or you've got lights on in the room. You can see the difference here compared to a non-glare free TV. Its Infinity One design makes this Samsung's slimmest TV yet. It's incredibly thin and it can be fitted near flush to your wall, giving everyone in the room a lovely clear view. And all you need to get it up and running is one cable with everything else plugged into the One Connect box. It's got a single cable that needs to be plugged into the TV, and then you place the Connect box where you want it so that it's out of sight, keeping this thin TV nice and slim without the mess of wires. This is also Samsung's brightest OLED, giving you incredible colours and detail for every scene. Darks will be darker, yet you're still going to be able to enjoy them during the day. Plus, the whites will be that much brighter, bringing a whole new level of depth and quality to what's on screen. If you'd like more info about this Samsung OLED TV, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.